So this is how it turned out. So beautiful. This is the soap that we're making today, and the star ingredient is obviously activated charcoal, known for its detoxifying properties. It is such a great ingredient. Obviously it's pure black, which makes activated charcoal soap so beautiful to look at. And I like to pair activated charcoal with other essential oils that are known for being awesome for the skin. I love, love, love using a blend of lavender oil, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, and eucalyptus oil, and the end result is just the most wonderful spa-like scent, and I just love smelling this soap all day long. It's one of my best sellers. Thing about activated charcoal though, you don't want to use too much, because if you use too much, yes, you will get a gorgeously black soap, but it has a tendency to stain bath towels. Be very, very careful. I use about 4 teaspoons in my recipe, so not a lot, and you're able to get this nice dark color. Really, really love this soap. Can't wait to show you guys how I make it.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cut on me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate.
So this is how it turned out. So beautiful. And here are the tops. The tops turned out really good. I used the scent blend of lavender, tea tree, eucalyptus, and mint all together. Just makes for such a really beautiful spa-like scent. One of my favorite soaps that I make, and it's just such a pretty soap. I love it. Remember, if you're going to be using activated charcoal in your products, activated charcoal does have a tendency to bleed out of the soap, so you don't want to use too much. You can achieve a more darker soap by using black mica or maybe even a black oxide, but I like to market this as one of my more natural soaps, so I really don't mind it not being pure black. I know a lot of you are wondering what types of soaps to include in your line. I highly recommend adding an activated charcoal soap because it's just one of those soaps that have a buzz ingredient in it, that being activated charcoal, and it really does sell itself. People love this kind of soap. So if you did find it helpful and interesting, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more, subscribe. Thank you to everyone who has already subscribed and has chosen to follow us on our journey. You guys are the best. Until the next video, keep smiling, keep doing awesome, and keep doing amazing in your businesses, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.